So hi everyone, this is me Srijal Mishra and this is another day of learning AI with me. Let me document everything in a fast-paced speed because I have to go downstairs as soon as it is possible because I am being called for something really important. Okay, so let's just get started. First things first, the day started on a very good note. Like I came here on the roof, just thought about meditating, listened even a pretty good hymn, meditated even for a while, and then just went watched a video on how to become of Sarthak Virman sir. I can say, by the way, he is actually a teacher and he is actually pretty respectful in my eyes. So I watched a video was according to was like how to make like how to earn your first 1,000, yeah, first 10k in 1 month, kind of something. I found that video somewhere or the other just a little useful. All the things mentioned in that video were not for me, actually, I can say. Then went outside and I don't know what then I did, actually. Then major thing what I did was today is I created a pretty good video which you will be able to see here. So I'm just loving it. And there was one more thing which was there since so long in my head. वो ये थी कि मेरे जितने भी प्यारे प्यारे से कमेंट्स हैं मुझे उन सबको एक साथ में रखना था. So I just created a pretty good video of that as well, a pretty good picture of that as well here. तो वो किया and then I just thought about creating a AI learning roadmap for a 7th grader. But I just tried it on Claude and on Gemini, on Google, on ChatGPT both, but मुझे बहुत ही डिफरेंट से रिजल्ट्स मिले जो कि दोनों भी डिज़ायरेबल नहीं थे. बट मुझे लग रहा है मुझे थोड़ी गहराई से इस चीज़ पे काम करना चाहिए. सो लेट्स सी, मैं नेक्स्ट डे अगेन ट्राई करूँगी उस कोर्स के ऊपर काम करने का, क्योंकि अभी जो रिजल्ट्स मिले वो मुझे बहुत अच्छे तो नहीं लगे. देन अगेन आई एंडेड अप वॉचिंग अ वीडियो ऑफ अंश मेरा सर क्रिएटिंग योर फर्स्ट. इट वॉज रिलेटेड टू क्रिएट योर फर्स्ट AI video. It was related to create your first what was it? Create your first app, AI powered app using Google Gemini and Android Studio, kind of something. I just watched it just half because my laptop is not okay, so I cannot use implement the stuff. So that's why. And yeah, then I am assigned some house chores, so just trying to go to accomplish all of them. The day has not ended yet. Yes, in between I thought upon going back on my Python learning journey as well, which was up on a pretty low pace, and somewhere or the other even stopped because of my health issues. So that was the thing. Let's see what happens next. There is nothing in our hand. Something that is there in our hand is just our karma. So I'm just believing in that quote. Let's go. This was it for today. Bye. Let's just keep doing, yaar. I know the results are not that much remarkable, but what can I do, yaar? This is life and I need to keep going. Remembering the quote that if you can't run, just walk, and if you can't walk, just crawl, but don't stop. And that's exactly what I am doing. Thank you so much for being here till now. Thank you so much. Bye.